If you're looking for a wireless mechanical keyboard that delivers a smooth, creamy typing sound without sacrificing gaming performance, the Rapoo V700DIY-98 is definitely worth your attention. This keyboard is designed for gamers, creators, and everyday users who want premium build quality with flexible connectivity. The V700DIY-98 features tri-mode connection, letting you switch seamlessly between Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired mode. It works perfectly with both Windows and Mac OS, making it ideal for multi-device setups at home or in the office. The 97-key layout gives you a compact design while still keeping essential keys, saving desk space without feeling cramped. Typing on this keyboard feels incredibly smooth thanks to the Hot-Swappable speed silver linear switches. Combined with the gasket-mounted structure, the result is a soft, creamy sound profile that's satisfying without being loud. Plus, the double-shot PBT keycaps are durable, resistant to shine, and feel great even after long gaming or typing sessions. For gamers, full NKRO Anti-Ghosting ensures every keystroke registers accurately, even during fast-paced gameplay. The per-key 16.8 million RGB lighting adds a clean, customizable look, while FN media hotkeys keep things convenient. With a powerful 4000 mAh battery, solid weight for stability, and a premium build overall, the Rapoo V700DIY-98 is a strong all-rounder keyboard that balances sound, performance, and wireless freedom perfectly.